Hello stat students, Professor Charlie here. We're going to use the calculator to find the regression line in this video. If you read this problem, this is the number of years worked in this top row. That's thought of as the explanatory variable. And here's an hourly wage in Y. It's thought of as a response variable. The first step is to put these X values in L1 and these Y values in L2. And I've already done that. So if I press stat edit, I can see my X values in L1 and my Y values in L2. So now I want to find a regression line. So to do that, I go to stat, arrow over to calc, and number 4 is what we're going to use, linear regression, AX plus B. The value of A will be the slope, that's the thing multiplying X, and the B value will be the Y-intercept. So I just press 4 and to type it on the screen. And this defaults in L1 for X and L2 for Y. So I don't have to type anything here. And I'll get the slope and the intercept. So the least squares regression line would be 0.534 times X plus 10.301. Okay, what about this correlation coefficient? That's not showing here because if it's the first time you've done this on your device, then you need to turn on diagnostics. I'll show you how to do that. Easiest way to do it is press second 0 and you get a catalog of all of the commands in the calculator in alphabetical order. See this little A up here means that it's in alpha mode. So I'm going to press X to the -1 key, which is a D. So it'll go down to the D's. Then I could arrow down to the D's, take me all day. And then I go down to diagnostic on and I press enter. That types it on the screen. I press enter again and it does it. So now when I go to stat calc 4 and press enter, I get the R values. R squared won't be any of interest to us. It's just this number squared. R equals 0.867 means that the points are falling pretty close to this calculated line, and they have a positive slope. It goes up from left to right. And that's that.